Hi, this is the song for staying at home. And Elise, we've been in quarantine, and when we do go out, we always stay amongst each other. You know, right, Elise? When you go take rides in the car, we just stay in the car most of us.
And we have cats and a lizard. And I would like to thank you for watching my videos and her videos. And thank you for doing stuff, praying for God and doing everything. And thank you for doing everything.
Just talk a little bit louder. I'm going to turn this one down so we can hear you. Right now, this is going on right now. We was watching herself. Now I should be able to hear you now because we were watching us from the cookout video. So now you can speak. What were you saying?
And we have a pet lizard, we have a hamster, we have dogs, and a cat. And thank you for praying for God, praying for Jesus, and thank you
We always keep buying.
eating vegetables.
You gotta eat those vegetables so we can have lockers.
And exercise.
You gotta keep yourself healthy. There's your grandpa right there on that video. Look, see?
And thank you for doing everything for us. Always pray for God.
We always gotta pray to God because down here, the Creator that made everything here.
This is how I do stuff like this. This is how I do a craft.
Okay, she's doing art and crafts today. We're staying in. We're doing our social distancing. And she's doing art today. Isn't that beautiful? She likes to do colorful things. Come here, Elise. Oh, you got some more stuff you want to show me? Come on, show everybody. Come on, bring it over. Bring us what you made. Let's see. Bring it over. That's okay. Just bring it on over here and show us. Ah, that's beautiful. Is that what you made? So this was to hang it up. Okay, but this part was to hanging it up on something that's like an ornament or something. It was for the tree, was it? Oh, for the wall. Right. It's nice. Look at that. Something to do. Okay, well now she wants to reuse it, I guess. Ladies and gentlemen, children too. You see, that's nice, huh? So that was nice. So you have that as a picture frame. This is the top, right? Because the bow is at the top, or is it the bottom? The top? Oh, okay. That was nice. So, and now you've been using all these colorful crayons in here. And see, you're not screaming about being around 1,000 people today, huh? Because you have much things to do, right? There's mommy right there on TV. There's your mommy on TV right there. Look at her beautiful smile. Look at that. She's the most beautiful smile I've ever seen. Let's hear how this is saying. That's your mom. Kathy. Is it showing?
I want to block you now.
Your mom. That's your mom, right?
I want to block you.
Okay, that's your mom, though. First, your mom. Wait, come here. That's your mom talking about her crafts. There's yours for sale, right? That's your mom, right?
Yeah.
She's talking about the things that she
I can see her through it. Can you give us $10?
Her Christy crafts, right? Oh, you want to get paid for your show right now? You ready to get paid?
Yeah.
Are you gonna let your father know that I paid you for this show?
Yeah.
You ready now? But YouTube didn't pay me yet. Wait. That's her mom. Okay, so audience, this is the songbird. Okay. You know me. Cook, singer, worship, of the creator. And this is my granddaughter. Come here. There's my granddaughter right here. Now, I was just in the basement with my son and his little studio. And I just demanded him to pay me, right? Oh, come here. And this is my granddaughter. I told her, we need more watch time hours. There go your grandpapa. There go your grandpapa right there. Here's your grandfather. Okay. And come here. My granddaughter said she not waiting for YouTube. Oh, okay. She's showing me where my money is, right? Oh. She said she not waiting on YouTube to pay. Okay, me. She don't want to wait for YouTube to pay me. She want to get paid now. So then what I got? I got $5. I'll give you, wait, I got a little more than $5. Okay, wait. Let me see what I got for you. Great, come here. You gonna get paid? You can't run away. There you go, make a strawberry shortcake right there. She wanna get paid. She wants some money right now. See? Look, oh, she's standing still now. She ain't jump around now like little kids who can't be still. She said she want to get paid. I don't know. Her big sister ran upstairs, said she had to use the bathroom. She ain't came back yet. Okay, so I guess she get missing out on getting paid. Okay. She's still right. No, but she not down here. You right here. You right here. See, no, whoever get paid is the one that stands still in the struggle. And right here, you standing still in the struggle. Your sister ran off. She ran away. She said she had to use the bathroom. I remember when I was little, I used to get away from the grown-ups. I said, I got to use the bathroom, man. Y'all never be seen again. See what I'm saying? Wait, right now, you guess how old are you? 4. Okay, you 4 years old. So this is good for a 4-year-old right here. Now, you don't got paid for your little show today, right? Thank you. Now, everybody's seen it. I paid her for today. That's just for right now. She just did 15 minutes of work. She want to get paid right now. Yep, and your father. Tell him I paid you for your show today, your 15 minutes of fame. I paid you for your 15 minutes of fame, okay? I didn't know she was going to ask me for that money. I didn't know. There it is. All right. And that's America. Peace, love, and light.